In this video, we will show you how to install a tail light on your Subaru Impreza. Remove these two 10mm bolts. And give it a firm grasp and pull. Undo all the connectors. We're going to undo all of these bulb sockets. Just give them a little twist to the left. Using a trim tool, I'm going to pull this off of here. And then we're going to swap the harness over to the new assembly. And we're going to install this harness into the new assembly. Reconnect the tail light, push the clip in. You're going to want to line these and these up with this, and there's a little clip on the side. Just line it up. And then push. And we're going to install our two 10mm bolts.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.